Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to all my students. Okay, for maths lesson today, all right, I will continue this discussion about the example 9. So please open your math textbook, page 288. Okay, so this example 9 question is, an employee at a florist shop arranged 15 bouquet according to the number of flowers arranged in odds numbers 1 to 30 in ascending order. A is the event of selling a flower bouquet that has a perfect square number of flowers. Determine the complement of an event A prime in, okay, 1 words, okay, 2 set notation. All right, so how to do this one? How to write the complement of an event A prime in word. Okay, so first step what to do, you have to list the sample space for this event A. All right, so the sample space, use the symbol capital S equal to, okay, please use the set notation like this. So in the set notation, you have to write all the possible outcome for the this one. All right, so you have to write the odds number from 1 to 30 in ascending order. So it is number 1, number 3, number 5, number 7, number 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, and 29. All right. It is a odds number from the range number 1 to 30. So all of that, it is the possible outcome. So it is actually the element for the sample space. So you have to write like this for the sample space. And for the event A, all right. So the event A is what? Event A is event A is a selling a flower bouquet that has a perfect square number of flower. Okay, so remember what is the perfect square? Perfect square, it is the number. If you square of 2, the number, you will get the round number. Okay. So please step in this number. What is the number if you square of 2? The answer is a round number. So number 1 cannot, number 3 cannot, number 5 cannot, number 7 cannot, number 9. Yes, because of what? Because square of 2.9 it is equal to 3. 3 is a round number. So 9, okay, 11 cannot, 13 cannot, 15 cannot, 17 cannot, 19 cannot, 21 cannot, 23 cannot, but 25, 25 is a perfect square number, because square root of 2 for the 25, you will get a round number equal to 5. Okay, so that's why for the event A, okay, the element for the event A, it is equal to number 9 and 25. So you have to write like this. Use the set notation, okay, like this, then write 9, 25. So this one is the event A. All right. So next, how to write the answer for 1 in the word. Okay. Okay, so the answer for 1, determine the complement of event A prime. So A prime. So you know that event A is a number 9 and 25. So A prime, it is mean that the number except these two number. So you have to list all the number in the sample space except number 9 and 25. So that's why for the answer A prime, it is equal to event of a number which is not a perfect square, because number 9 and 25, it is a perfect square. So A prime, it is equal to event of a number which is not a perfect square. So that's the answer for question 1. Okay, for question 2, A prime. So set notation. So to write the set notation for the A prime, you have to write in this one like this. Okay, equal to, okay, you have to write the set notation. So in the set notation, you have to write all the number from the sample space except number 9 and 25. So this one is the answer. Number 1, number 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 27, and 29. Okay, that's the answer for example 9. Okay, all right, now look at subtopic 13.3.2. Probability of the complement of an event. All right. So actually for this subtopic, the learning standard is to determine the probability of the complement of an event. Okay, so example 10 here. One number was chosen randomly from a set of integers from 1 to 20. A is an event of choosing prime number. Determine the complement of probability A. Okay, so the solution for this one. So firstly, what to do? You have to list all the possible outcome for this one, which is you have to list all the element for the sample space. Okay, so sample space, use the symbol capital S equal to, okay, use the set notation like this, right? So inside the set notation, you have to write the number, the integer from 1 to 20. Okay, so you have to write all the number from 1 until 20, the integer. So that's why for the sample space, it is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So this one is the element for the sample space here. Okay, all right. Next, what to do? You have to write the event A. Okay, the set of the event A. So you have to write in the form of set like this. So event A equal to, use set notation like this. So what is the event A? Event A, it is event of choosing prime number. So remember, what is the prime number? Now please remember again. Prime number is the numbers which is only can be divided by itself, and there is no balance after you divide by itself. Okay, the number if you divide, which is you don't have balance, which is balance equal to 0. Okay, so that is a prime number. Then it and that number only can be divided by itself only. Okay, so that is equal number. Sorry, the prime number. Okay, and one more thing for the prime number, it start with the number 2. Okay, start from the number 2. Okay, so you must check from the sample space here what is the number is the prime number. All right, so number 1 is not prime number. Okay, so number 1 cannot. How about number 2? Number 2, yes, it is prime number, because number 2, if you divide with the number 2, you will get the balance is equal to 0. Okay, so number 2, number 3, number 4. Sorry, number 4 cannot. Number 4 cannot because number 4 also can be divided with the 2. Okay, beside itself 4. So number 4 cannot. So number 2, number 3, number 5, number 7, number 11, 13, 17, and 19. Okay, so that's all the numbers from the sample space, which is the prime number. So that is the element for the event A. So you have to write like this for the event A. Okay, next, what to do? Question asks you to determine the complement of probability A. Okay, so to find the complement of the probability A, all right, after you list the element for the event A like this, you have to find the probability of an event A. Okay. So this one, capital P in bracket capital A, okay, mean the probability of the event A equal to, okay, this is the formula to find the probability of the event A, which is equal to smaller n equal to the numbers of element in the event A, you divide with the number of element in the sample space. Okay, so equal to, okay, so number of element in the event A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So equal to 8. So 8 you divide with the number of the element from the sample space equal to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That is 20 element. So that's why it's you divide with the 20. So this one you can still simplify. You will get answer equal to 2/5. Okay, this one not the answer yet because this one it is only the probability of the event A. Okay, question asks you to find the probability of the complement of the event A. So how to know this one? So you can use this formula. So this one, probability of the complement of the event A, or this one is capital P in bracket A prime. Okay, remember A prime mean complement of the event A. It is equal to 1 minus probability of the event A. So that means it is equal to 1 minus 2/5. Okay, now look at here. Okay, so complement of the probability for the event A, capital P in bracket A prime, okay, it is equal to 1 minus probability of the event A, so equal to 1 minus 8/20, so you will get equal to 12/20. So this one you still can simplify it, which is equal to 3/5. So this one the answer for the example 10. Okay, besides this method, you also can use another method to find the answer, which is like this method. You list first the element for the event complement. You list the element for the complement of event A or event A prime. So which is equal to in bracket 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20. Okay. Okay, next what to do? Then you just substitute the numbers of the element for the complement of event A in the formula of the probability. So probability of the complement of event A equal to the number of element for the complement of event A. You divide with the number of the element in the sample space. So it is equal to okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 you divide with the 20. So this one, after you simplify, you will get answer equal to 3/5. Okay, all right, class. So I think for our class today, I will stop here until example 10. Okay, so please try to understand the lesson today. If you have any question about this lesson, you can ask me in the Telegram maths subject to math subjects class 2 covers me. Okay. And for your class exercise today, all right, I want you to do this one, set practice 13.3. Okay, please answer question number 1 and question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3. Okay, there is 3 questions. Okay, please answer these 3 questions, question number 1 until question number 3. Okay, so you can do in your math exercise, whether maths 1 or maths 2 or maths 3. You can choose any book that you want to do. Okay, so after you finish do this one, this exercise, please send to me the answer through the Telegram, my Telegram, or you can submit your answer in the Google Classroom maths subject class 2 covers me. Okay, all right, so that's all for our class today. Thank you.